Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to block someone on Snapchat. Right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up the Snapchat app. And then once you're in here, just go to the chat section. And then once done, go ahead and open up the chat or the account of the person where you just go ahead and tap on, just like so. Tap. And then once you're in here, tap on the three dots and then manage friendship. The other option, you can go ahead and look for their name. For example, just like so. Tap on their profile. Tap on their profile again. Tap on the three dots and then manage friendship. And then once that's done, tap on block and then just block. So it says here, blocking a user prevents them from viewing your story, sending you snaps or chats, adding you as a friend, or searching for you. The other user will not be notified of this action. So tap on block and you're good to go. That's how simple it is to block someone on Snapchat. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.